What? Why my loadout is changing? Like, what?
Ah, fuck butter.
No
they tried.
way.
I was gonna kill him. He wasn't moving. I can kill him.
Ah, shit on him real quick. I think I only, yeah, I didn't get one.
So, you're gonna come back.
Yeah, I got the one. He was going into B from up.
Can I give me my Mercy? Where's my sniper, bro? What? Wait, no, where the fuck is my sniper? What the hell is this shit?
Jesus Christ, dude, you got way too much background noise. I gotta mute you. Sorry. Dude had me fucking tweaking.
What the fuck? One to two.
Find another way.
Y'all hear me?
On and off, bro. A bullet. Why your name tag is flickering? Fuck.
What did you say? I can't hear you. Take the dick out of your mouth.
Shut up, shit, old lady.
Boring. I don't even think they're trying. There you go. Gargling it again. I can't understand what you're saying. Chichop. Are you Chinese? I don't understand your language.
Lady. Fuck, bro. This guy's